Growing plants in pots is one of the great moments of gardening. There's something just fantastically rewarding about seeing a beautiful plant, maybe covered in flowers or beautiful foliage, and you grew it yourself. Fantastic. But I want you to come over here and have a look at this. This is a plant that's been in this pot probably 2 years or more. Notice the potting mix has shrunk down to less than halfway. This is a very typical sort of a problem, that the modern potting mixes basically don't have soil in them. They're organic matter and maybe a little bit of sand, that sort of a mix. As the organic matter rots away, so it drops down in the pot. But it gets worse than that. As the potting mix sort of decays, it loses its ability to function, and often they can become water repellent. So as the plant gets older in the pot, when you water it, you think you've watered it, and the water runs out the bottom and everything after you put it in the top. Pull the plant out and it's bone dry inside because the potting mix just sheds water away almost like oil does. So very important, at least every 2 years, every plant you've got should be repotted. That is, presuming it's growing in a pot. Never buy a cheap quality potting mix. Cheap quality potting mixes simply don't work very well. Always look for your Standards Association tick marks like those. And you should go to the best quality one you can afford. Don't forget, when you're opening a bag of potting mix, there's always a chance of Legionnaires. The air that's in there is not to be breathed. So cut it, but particularly that first woof of air, just keep back a bit and don't breathe it. When you've got a big, robust plant like this should just lift out by grabbing the stem. This is a big yucca that's very, very strong. Should be all right. Don't want to bang this too hard, we'll break the pot. Plant out. Now, if you look at that root system, it's very pot bound. But for a yucca, doesn't matter, these things are virtually indestructible. You can see, looking at it, we want to bring it up to maybe 25 mils from the top. So you can see we need to add about 100 mils of new mix down the bottom. We'll check the depth out there. Looks pretty good. Remember, when you repot it, even if it's a little bit high, it's still going to drop again. So what we do is try and sit this in here, then fill up around the outside, because as you come up in the pot gets wider, so there'll be a gap around the outside. We'll see how we go. By the way, this particular yucca is not a dangerous one. Some of them you'd need to be very, very careful. Now the next thing is stand back, make sure it's upright. That's leaning over this way a bit. So what we'll probably do is have it touching the pot on this side and fill up a lot on the other side. Suppose the question arises, when you put mix in a pot, should you push it down really firmly? The answer is no, you should never do that. If you pack it down, the roots won't grow on it properly and you'll impede drainage. Potting mixes work best when they're just allowed to settle a little bit. Perhaps the most you would do, if you're strong enough, is that. It's now ready to water. Look, do think about your poor old pot plants. Remember, as I said, the potting mix degenerates after about 2 years. They don't work. Even the best of them don't work very well. Apart from that, they've run out of fertiliser, they've dropped down in the pot, the mix is becoming water repellent. Repot about every 2 years if you want to keep them looking good. If you want to keep them better than that, repot every 2 years.